Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize using AWS SSO to manage multiple accounts. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into the AWS Management Console using your primary account. Once logged in, navigate to the AWS Single Sign-On service from the console. If you haven't set up AWS SSO yet, click on Enable AWS SSO. After enable, in the dashboard, select Settings in the left sidebar. Note down the AWS SSO instance URL provided on this page. Next, move to the Users section in the left sidebar. Click on Add User to create a new user for SSO access. Fill in the required details such as username, first name, and last name. Choose a password for the new user and make sure to store it securely. Once done, click on Add User to save the new user's information. Now, head to the Permissions section in the left sidebar. Select Assign User to give the new user the necessary permissions. Choose the user you just created from the list. Next, select the accounts you want the user to have access to. Assign appropriate permissions for each account, such as read-only or administrator. After assigning permissions, click on Next, Review. Review the configurations and click on Finish to complete the process. Now, navigate to the User Portal link in the AWS SSO dashboard. Copy the User Portal URL for your reference. Instruct your new user to visit the User Portal URL. They will need to log in using the username and password you created. Once logged in, the user will see a list of available accounts. They can select an account to access AWS Management Console directly. Check that the permissions are functioning as intended by logging in as the user. Finally, inform the user they can manage their SSO settings in the user portal. Congratulations, you have successfully set up AWS SSO for account management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.